All right, today we're going to do a video of a Trak vertical machining center model LPM. It's new in 2009. Serial number is 094DJ6277. It has the Trak PMX control. The machine is also equipped with the 4th axis interface. It has the drive and all the wiring. All you would need to do is provide a table with it. You have a Cat 40 spindle, 8,000 RPM, 16 position umbrella style tool changer. I'm going to run the machine for you. That's 2,500 RPM. That's 5,500. That's 7,000. Again, max is 8. We'll do a tool change. Do one more. Jog the axes. That's your x-axis, your y-axis, and your z. All axes are nice and smooth. This machine also comes with a chip auger, a coolant system. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.